So this is how you can actually predict the bull run incoming, and it's a very simple thing. What you have to be looking at in 2021 and 2023 is trading volume. So if you see this trading volume going up, it's a very good indicator that we're not in a bear market, but we're actually in a bull run. So be sure to smash that like button. And this is a key for all these cryptos, that crypto is going to be going up. Now, there is a lot of charts and a lot of indicators that people seem to forget when they talk about cryptos overall. And I think that's a big problem for everyone in the industry. If they don't know how to actually grow these tokens, like, people are definitely afraid in a sense. And I'm not. I'm definitely not afraid of anything at this point happening, of anything like bad happening for that matter. I do think crypto markets are going to be improving. And I do think a lot of people are concerned, and that's a certainty. But one thing about this is, really, you shouldn't be too afraid of the crypto markets in the near future, because I am pretty much excited on that. But people don't see that the market cap is actually correlated with the fear and greed index. These are the two things like that are extremely correlated. So when people are greedy, they are buying coins, and that goes a long way in that example. And people are really excited about that. But the other factor, for example, is when people are trading more, when people are opening all these kind of options, when they're opening all these kind of different things, that's really when people are starting to get back into bull runs. So let's take a look at 2021, what happened actually in June, July. They dipped, like the market seriously dipped, but they never dipped like when it was 20 billion. So when it was 20 billion, nobody was in crypto. And it was around like really 2018 levels in that sense. It was same levels as 2018, but now it's slowly coming back to actual levels before. But do you guys realize how bad it was in 2020? So we were basically seeing 2018 levels in the crypto industry. It was so bad, people didn't even stay in crypto, and they just left. Like, all of them left. We saw like 15 billion daily trading volume just like 2019. So imagine we went like 3-4 years back, and then we have the Bitcoin dominance, which is another big factor for crypto overall. I do think this is another big factor that people don't realize, is when Bitcoin is dominant. So you can actually see historically, like 2021, Ethereum and Bitcoin were really dominant. Now slowly in 2020, Bitcoin had the highest dominance, and that's when the bear market started. So when people buy Bitcoin mostly to hold their Bitcoin, that's really when crypto starts to go up, starts to improve, like when they buy other altcoins than just Bitcoin. And when they just buy Bitcoin, like in a sense, when they don't buy other tokens, that's obviously a very bad thing in a sense. Why? Well, very simply because most people, they focus on having different prospects. They focus on having different examples of buying their own altcoins. There are different examples of success. And when they buy these altcoins, guess what? They don't buy others, like other different coins in that sense. They don't buy other different coins other than Bitcoin when it's a bear market. When it's a bull run, they invest in like places like XRP, which had an 11% dominance, like 3%. Look at this. BNB had 1%, but at some point, everyone was buying Bitcoin. 70% of the whole market was Bitcoin based, and nobody actually held Bitcoin in that aspect. And I think that's the big difference that people don't realize with what's going on in the crypto industry. So right now, it does seem like crypto is growing, and it's going to grow more and more in the next few days. But I am definitely excited to see more at hand with what happens with crypto overall. And I'll keep you guys updated with more news. But here's what we see. The bigger the volume, the more chances for the markets to recover. And that's what's really exciting about this. I'll keep you guys in the loop.